डेकोरेटिव पीसेस दे हैं।
बाकी प्लांटर्स आ
ये
जाएंगे,
प्लांटर्स हैं।
प्लांटर्स बाकी रक्स वगैरह आ जाएंगे।
these
5
are
बाई
the-
7 हर वैरायटी के रक्स मिल जाएंगे।
हाँ जी।
रक्स हो गए, पिलो हो गए,
These are all the rugs, as you can see, and so are those.
all size।
All sizes, colors, matching your drawing room. Look at the placement of this. This is looking so nice. Like we say, 7 horses placed in on the wall of in the house is very brings good luck. This one, this is the Rath of Krishna, Lord Krishna and Arjun, as you can see. Many other details. And as we walk down the stairs, we have a lot of
metal arts and wall clocks।
metal arts. These are all called metal arts, and these are the wall clocks. You can all have a look at the articles displayed.
टिश्यू बॉक्सेस एंड
ये कौन सी दिखाओ तुम्हारे?
ये आपका सेरेमिक बॉक्सेस है, ये
ये
डेकोरेट करने के लिए।
अच्छा, टिश्यू बॉक्स कौन से?
ये बाकी आपके ये टिश्यू बॉक्स वगैरह आ
अच्छा,
जाएंगे।
these are all the tissue boxes, the trays.
ट्रेस हो जाएंगे।
Yeah,
बाकी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स वगैरह,
these are the organizers.
ये शोपीस का।
ये ऊपर वाला देखिए डिटेल, the blue one is so pretty, as you can see. It's something very unique color. The color is so different. These beautiful articles, they give a detailing, a definition to your, not only to your home but to your personality also. It speaks, your choice of picking the article speaks about your persona, what kind of a person you have, what kind of a taste you possess. So it gives you elegance and grace. So for that you have to come to Decora. And that is in Sarupnagar. Yeah.
Sarupnagar Celtex Road।
Celtic Road. And you can meet this boy called Satyam. He is very well known person here, and he is taking care of the whole store. And I am here because of him, because I used to come shopping, and he was a person who used to cater to my needs, cater to what my demands were regarding what accessories I want, and he did his job very well. So that is why in this vlog I am wanting him to give you all a detailed description of all the articles.
इसको रुके मैं एक मिनट।
Play. These are all God figures. जैसे आपको हनुमान जी है,
राम
दरबार है,
और ये देखिए ये राम दरबार है। This is a masterpiece जो राम भगवान के जो पूजा करते हैं, आप इससे ज्यादा खूबसूरत कौन सा पीस आप ले सकते हैं?
सभी रेंज के अपने पास आइटम मिल जाएंगे।
रेंज भी इनकी लो
जी,
है
जी,
सब पे।
हाँ।
इन पे कोई डिस्काउंट भी होते हैं?
मैम ये जिसमें डिस्काउंट होता है उसमें टैग लगे रहते हैं।
अच्छा।
आफ्टर डिस्काउंटेड मतलब उसमें रेट लगे हुए हैं,
रेट लगे हुए हैं।
और जिसमें ऑफर होगा
हाँ
उसमें
जी।
सेल का टैग लगा होगा।
जैसे ये बहुत ही एलिगेंट पीस है। अल्टीमेटली सारे पीसेस बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, बट दिस इज अ स्ट्राइकिंग टू माय आईज दैट दिस इज अल्टीमेटली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. So this is a detailed look of the images of idols of the god.
बाथ रक्स वगैरह आ
Now
जाएंगे।
these are bath rugs.
ऑल कंपनीज,
All companies.
पानो, फ्रीलांस, ऑब्सेशन, वैलेजियो, तो ऑल कंपनीज के यहाँ पे आपको बाथ मैट्स मिल जाएंगे। ऑब्सेशन हो गया, फ्रीलांस कंपनी हो गया, एंड पानो, हर वैरायटी मिल जाएगी आपका। वॉशरूम के शावर मैट्स, कारपेट्स, डोर मैट्स, सभी प्रकार की रेंज अपने पास अवेलेबल है।
Well, have a look at this. इसका क्या कॉस्ट हो जाएगा इनका?
ये आपका 10,500।
Look at this horse. Again, the color. The color gives a difference. Not only the article, the shape of the article or the article, it is the color also, which gives a very different, unique look to your drawing rooms or any place in your bedroom, your
साइड टेबल्स,
side tables. Yeah, they all give a very beautiful look to your home. This is Goddess Saraswati, and you have Radha Krishna. Yeah, even tortoise. बहुत लोग tortoise भी रखना पसंद करते हैं. Look at these tortoise. एक छोटा सा भी है इनके पास. एक छोटा सा tortoise नीचे भी है, and you have. I think you can make it a set of 3, or you can individually pick it also. forward. Oh, look at this. Sugar, coffee, tea. So pretty. And this can be used for, this is a, have a look at this, lovely ladies. This is a tray, serving tray, and look at the detailing of this. Oh my goodness.
डिफरेंट डिजाइनें होंगी.
जो आपके usual trays है उसके सामने they are so different, so elegant.
Color and
all colors and sizes. The cost of this product is 2,450. And this one?
सेम
Same. And when you
ऑल
buy,
रेंज अवेलेबल है अपने पास.
yeah, they have all ranges.
ऑर्गेनाइजर है, ट्रे है.
ये देखिए black man, this is an organizer. This is for spoons, forks, knives, dessert spoons. This you can use it as for tissues. And then they have
सेम लुकिंग टिश्यू बॉक्स.
tissue box, yeah. And they have two trays. It's giving a leathery texture. This is not wooden. This is a leathery texture. One is a big and one is a small size. I really rarely see black colors of tray. They're really good. And if you have designer cups, it enhances the beauty of the cups also. This is a multi-purpose serving showpiece. You can place candies, chocolates, or you can place some kind of like what you say, some kind of a snack over it when somebody comes. Or you can just keep it just like as a showpiece also. So what is this product? Let me show you.
ड्राई फ्रूट.
Yeah. Such an elegant piece of dry fruit tray. Look at this. In this nut serving tray, it's too pretty. After making the vlog, I'm going to decide what I'm going to purchase. These are majorly high-end luxury items where you have to decor, you want to furnish your rooms with high-end luxury items. See, your house looks totally unique. These are the wall arts. Look at the color of this. It's the color that excites me the most, especially the blue. These are the shades of blue. You can now have a look at all the articles, because there are so many articles that you'll have to move forward, otherwise the video will get very long. Have a look up, down.
Crockery.
These are all the crockery. Huh? Look at this piece. Look at this piece. Look at, have you seen a singer like this? Have you seen a singer like this? A horse with a guitar? Oh my god, I want to go to this concert. Would you want to accompany with me? Yeah? Come on then. We'll go to book our tickets. Let me find out when is the concert. I'll have to speak to him first in his language. Come on.
Sensor dustbin.
These are the sensor dustbins.
Automatic of 5 seconds.
Oh, there is sensing. You're just sensing it.
एक सेकंड बात करेंगे.
Automatic sensor.
Automatic sensor basket. You want this? See, these are all automatic sensor dustbins. They look so elegant being placed in your beautiful homes. If the home decor is, all the sheets are wonderful, your upholstery is good, your curtains are very good, but dustbin is such a detailing of your house which we overlook. No, this is also a very important part. I think it's more important than others, because in everybody's home, linen, upholstery, curtains, they all go for the high-end good products. Look at this one.
different.
Look at this. This is an astronaut. If you can't travel to space, if you don't know how to go, what suit to wear to a space, he'll help you out. Chalo, we move away. Look at that piece from here. Please Adi, help me out. It's for the couples who are madly in love with each other. Please come and fetch this piece. This is for you guys who are just recently married or who are in deeply love with each other. Gift it to your loved ones. So is that. So is that.
आगे लगा है आगे
And these are the owls. Yeah. Just right now we saw a horse with a guitar. Now we're seeing another horse with a mic. So they're definitely, I was right. I was definitely right. They were ready for a concert. So he's ready and so is he. Nearby is Radha Krishna. Look at this piece. This is so elegant. This is in ceramic.
रीजन है ये पॉली रीजन
पोर्सलिन
This is in porcelain, sorry.
मेड इन पेरिस
Made in Paris. Oh my god. This is made in Paris. का रेट क्या होगा?
ये आपका
16,500
This is 16,500. So it's as I've told you, it's a luxury store. So definitely the rates would be high. But when you place it in your drawing rooms, it's going to be super hit.
This is moments items here.
Look at this cup set. Can anyone say a no to this? Can anyone say a no to this?
मोमेंट्स कंपनी
It's from the Moments company. ये कहाँ की कंपनी है?
ये तो मैम बाहर की कंपनी है बट ये आपका ये बॉम्बे से हर जगह की ब्रांच है
It's a company from abroad, Moments, but these products come from Bombay, from abroad. और ये सब क्या है?
ये भी सब कंपनी का आइटम है ना
ये मतलब ये खाने
हाँ जी हाँ जी
These are all serving dishes in different shapes.
बाउल्स वेटर
Yeah, these are all serving bowls. This is as you can see is a fruit basket. This is another unique piece.
टॉवल स्टैंड
Oh, this is a towel stand.
टॉवल स्टैंड
And it, अच्छा you place it on the wall like this. और towel आपको यहाँ पे you hang it on this. I think I've never seen a towel stand like this. It's so pretty, so elegant. Oh my god, marvelous. And it is for just 3,500. When there's a unique piece of art, we should not think about the price. Think what appreciation you're going to get from people. Now look at this piece. This is a towel holder, as you can see. This is a towel holder, like they have placed it. Yes, this should be a part of my dining area. I'm going to buy this. So, well, I have picked up my piece. For you guys, you have to come to Decora again to buy another piece. आपके और pieces होंगे ऐसे?
हाँ जी मैम इसमें 2 कलर्स मिल जाएंगे आपको
They have
Silver and
only
gold, but दो ही
they
colour
have
आते
just 2 pieces. One in gold and one in
सिल्वर
silver. So decide for yourself silver ki gold and come fast. Another showpiece. So many set of monkeys. People who worship Sai Baba, उनके लिए इतना खूबसूरत पीस आपके लिए डेकोरा में है. Sai Baba with flowers. Yeah, with a black beautiful stand with flowers. So जो साईं बाबा के भक्त हैं, प्लीज़ आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप आइए डेकोरा में, स्वरूप नगर में. Please have a look. And it's a 20% discount also on this. So you're very lucky. Rush fast. कब discounts खत्म हो जाए पता नहीं. Boxes है ना? These are ice boxes. These are your kitchenware item. Look at this. Shouldn't it be a part of your dining area? Definitely it should. Well, it's going to be my part of my dining area. I can't resist the temptation. I will have to buy it. ये शायद pickles के लिए होगा. These are for pickles. Chutney and pickles. जरा पीछे से वो गोल्डन वाला पीस दिखाना वो. This again, as you see, this is a napkin holder. आपको अपने napkins, paper napkins, जो tissues place करें, you just pull it out from here. Oh my God! What more beautiful gift for a husband and wife. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. Well, it was better placed here. Adi, please give a look at this. This is so pretty. It's exclusive for husbands and wives who are madly in love and they like to have their tea corner in the evening or early in the morning. This is for you guys. ये भी टी कप्स है ये वाले कि ये soup
ये
yeah.
soup bowl.
These are soup bowls. These are your tea cups. These are all your tea cups. These are soup bowls. Have a look at this. जरा वो वाला दिखाना वो पीछे वाला जिसमें बो लगा गोल्ड. These are tea pots. It's a set of 6 cups with their plates, and these are the tea servers. Beautiful, aren't they? I like the pink. I like the pink. Well, it's your choice whether you like the pink or the white. These are the. This is made of plastic.
फाइबर होता है
This is fiber.
नीचे से आप
हाँ जी. अच्छा you this is having
बैटरी
a
ऑपरेटेड
battery operated. This is battery operated. In the night, just place it in your bedroom and have a chit chat with your husband. They have pieces of 3 in this. Well, I am feeling greedy for this. I think I should also have it so that my husband, who is so busy, he'll give me some time and we can have a talk. And it will be all thanks to these battery operated candles. Now we'll move on to the
बाप से
bath sets. These are the soap dispenser, soap dish for your. This is just a whole display of. Well, I want to take your attention to I would like to draw attention to one of those pieces on top. Can you see an astronaut over there in the red? In the red,
10,500.
that one. That is 10,500, and there's an elephant next to it.
2200
And the astronaut is like 15% off on the astronaut. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. But then you see, if you want to have a luxury home, you will have to spend this. And I don't think 10,000 is not that an amount for such a piece of art. It's good. Now they have a wide range of towels, of bed sheets. बताएं सत्यम भैया बताएं थोड़ा और.
एंटार बाट फेस टावर
और कंपनी से ब्रांडेड कंपनी से अपने पास टॉवल्स बेडशीट
इधर देखो.
सारी बेडशीट स्पेसेस कंपनी की है. स्पेसेस की मिल जाएंगी आपको.
स्पेशल की कहाँ की कंपनी है?
मैम सारी कंपनियां बाहर की, बट ये सब अपना बॉम्बे से ही इंपोर्ट होता है.
अच्छा, these all products in Decora are from abroad, but they come from Bombay. They from abroad, they come to Bombay. From Bombay, they send
ऑल
it to.
कंपनीज बेडशीट अपने पास है. पोर्टको, हिमाया, मैस्पर, अडी डेकोर, एना सिमोना, ऑल कंपनीज की बेडशीट बेड कवर्स अपने पास अवेलेबल है.
They have from D Decor also.
डी डेकोर.
Look at the detailing of the wall clock. This is made of wood. Have a detailed view of all the products on top.
वॉल क्लॉक ऊपर लगी हुई
Look at the look of the wall clocks. These are the wall clocks. Have you looked at the look of the wall clocks? Watch your step. I like this
वो
product.
ठीक कर दे दिया उससे वो
Very aesthetic. This product is
हाँ
very
फिर कर
aesthetic.
जाती है
Look at this. What an amazing piece. What an amazing piece. Look at this. Look at this piece of sitting area. This can be used for by your kids to have to enjoy their cartoons or to enjoy their snacks. Even elders can come and sit on this. Have a detailed view of the sofa. The color is so beautiful. The color is very distinct. Now I would like to draw your attention towards this horse. ये horse का थोड़ा सा दिखाते हैं ये horse का. Isn't this masterpiece? This is ultimate masterpiece. I was just discussing if I could purchase this. If there's a discount on this, I would have picked it up instead. Let's move to the next floor. There are 3 floors by the way. I was confused what exactly this beautiful product is. These are actually lamps. They have bulbs inside. Take a closer view of this. There are lamps inside these. These also, they're like can be put in your gardens, in your garden area or in your passages towards your home. You know, some narrow passages we have. I do have at my place, so I can place it on there. Can you just light it, Satyam, so that we can show our viewers? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था ये गार्डन के लिए. Look at this. कितना खूबसूरत पीस ऑफ आर्ट है ये. तो ऐसी खूबसूरती के लिए अगर आपको अपने जेब से पैसे खर्च करने हो तो it is worth the price. It is worth the effort. So please come to Decor. It's in Swaroop Nagar and it is a place where you will get confused what to buy and what not to buy, because that is my problem when I come to Decora. Please. So I hope I have covered. I could not cover exactly all the products because the video would go very long. So for that you all have to come to Decora and have a visit. I'm saying a big bye for now. I hope you like my vlog. This is about Decora. This is Swaroop Nagar, Kanpur. And if you're not staying in Kanpur, if you pass by Kanpur from anywhere, Lucknow or Delhi or in the place, I know you get it, all kind of things you get everywhere. But sometimes there are places where you get something different and unique. So you have to experiment. And women who have high-end choices, I know they cannot stop the greed. They cannot stop themselves from visiting such kind of luxury stores. So until then, it's a big bye. Keep smiling and please subscribe to my channel. Please comment and give me your support, and because I need your encouragement to make further vlogs. Bye.